there. Now this cup here I didn't do, so we're going to see how much water this takes. And okay, what you need to have on hand in your house, and every house should have one, is a liquid measuring cup. This is an old-fashioned one, which is kind of cool. It goes up to 1.5 cups, which is 12 ounces. And you see 1 cup equals 8 ounces, so it has all the information here. So we want to measure out what this cup is. So we just pour it in there, and this cup is more than 12 ounces, so we need to put more water. So let's do that. Okay, so I put some more water. I have another 2 ounces in here. And actually maybe I should have put more, but let's just, because I like measuring it to the top. So okay, so I put another 2 ounces here. Okay, so there you go. It's filled to the top. I did the 12 ounces, and then I put in another 4 ounces. So that is 16 ounces. So this cup here, when you fill it to the top, is equivalent to 2 cups. So if you want to make yourself a nice big cup of tea, you would do it in this cup, and you'd have your 2 cups for the day. So what I would write here is large glass teacup, and I would write, of course you'd write it much neater, but I am holding the camera while I do this, which equals 2 cups, which equals 16 ounces. Okay, great. So now we know. And now the same thing's going to hold true when I want to see about the blue cup. Right? I have my blue cup here. I didn't measure it out. I'm going to do this first. I'm just going to pour this in. And I made a mess. I did spill some, but as you can see, this cup here equals, because I poured what was in the other cup in here, equals the same thing. So I'll write on my paper, blue cup equals 16 ounces, which equals 2 cups. Okay, so that's good to know. Now, when I do the cup, the mug, is going to be different. So let me just, I'm going to suggest that you guys do this over a sink, because look at that, I just made a mess. The goal is to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, okay, which is very hard to do, especially if you're a camel like me, and the hardest thing for you to do is drink. But if you don't do this, you won't succeed, because with anything you do in life, this is the foundation, is drinking liquids. And I'm not talking coffee, and I'm not talking soda, okay, I'm talking water. You want the fountain of youth? It's water. And I can't stress enough how important it is for your day. But you're thinking, oh my gosh, how can I drink all this water in one day? Well, we just broke it down. You don't have to drink 8 of those or 8 of those. You have to drink 8 of these, okay, which is really easy.